Whispers in the moonlit haze, fingers trace forbidden ways. Love's a game of night and fire, burning with a sharp desire, glimmering like crystal tears. Her touch dissolves my hidden fears, eyes that spell a magic song, a pull so deep it can't be wrong. Lost in your enchanting grace, passion's light we can't erase. Feel the darkness intertwine, every heartbeat calls you mine. Velvet skies and shadows play, secrets only night can stay. Tangled dreams in starlit air, lips that promise love's affair. Whisper soft, her voice like wine, hints of madness so divine, wrapped in silk of midnight blue, bound to fate by love so true. Lost in your enchanting grace, passion's light we can't erase. Feel the darkness intertwine, every heartbeat calls you mine. In the moonlight we collide, like shadows we won't hide. Diamonds on your velvet dress, whispers told in sweet caress. Oh, you want a love divine, spoiled by your sultry wine. Desire like a burning fire, with quiet. In a penthouse high we soar, silk and diamonds hit the floor. Crystal glasses hold the sky. Tell me, darling, what you buy? Chocolates melt and candles flame. Through the night you call my name. Velvet ropes and golden chains, all for love that leaves a stain. I've got love that's spoiled and grand, held by you, my longing hand. Desire's kiss in midnight's glow. In your arms I'm all aglow. Whisper sweet in marbled halls, echo down the endless walls. Champagne bubbles fill the air, feel our beating hearts affair. Gaze at Paris from our bed, lost in dreams of things unsaid. Wrapped in luxury so bright, hold me close through sad night. I've got love that's spoiled and grand, held by you, my longing hand. Desire's kiss in midnight's glow. In your arms I'm all aglow. In your arms I'm all aglow. In shadows we dance like whispers of the night. Your touch a spark setting hearts alight. Eyes like fire burning deep inside. Desire and love we can never hide. Wrapped in the night under the velvet sky. Whispers of I love you where secrets lie. Hearts pounding fiercely, passions embrace. Lost in the midnight, tender chase. Lips like sugar, yet our love's a storm. Crashing waves in a world so warm. In our dark love, there's nothing we can't face. Every kiss leaves a burning trace. Wrapped in the night under the velvet sky. Whispers of I love you where secrets lie. Hearts pounding fiercely, passions embrace. Lost in the midnight's tender chase. Even with shadows lurking around, in your arms safety I found. Our love love is fierce, our love is bold. In the darkness, our story's told. Wrapped in the night, under the velvet skies, whispers of I love you, our secrets lies. Hearts pounding fiercely, passions embrace. Lost in the midnight, tender chase. Your whispers in the night, my heart's soft delight. Starry skies above, whispering tales of love. With every breath you take, my soul starts to quake. In your arms I find dreams that rewind. Velvet moon so bright, shadows dance inside. Every move you make melts my heart in place. With your touch I float, swoon under your note. Hush beneath the stars, healing all our scars. Oh baby, hold me tight, we're burning in the night. Spoiled by your grace, locked in sweet embrace. Our breaths intertwine, passions redefined. Underneath the moon, lost in our cocoon. Crisp night air we share, moments free of care. In your eyes a fire, endless our desire. With each little sigh, love rips through the sky. Draw me close and near, fervor is sincere. Time becomes a blur when it's just us two. Every kiss a song, night can't last too long. With your tender voice, we have no other choice. Bound in love's sweet spell, night begins to swell. Oh baby, hold me tight, we're burning in the night. Spoiled by your grace, locked in sweet embrace. Our breaths intertwine, passions redefined. Underneath the moon, lost in our cocoon. Under the moonlight, your eyes, they gleam. Stars are winking, it's like a dream. Your laughter's music, a perfect hymn. Heartbeats racing on night's rim. City lights fade, we find our way in the shadows where lovers play. Your touch electric sets me free. In your arms is where I want to be. Moonlit whispers make me sway. With every breath you steal away. Passion's fire burning bright. Falling in love under the night. Whispered secrets in the dark. Every word ignites a spark. Lips so close, I feel the thrill. In this moment, time stands still. Promise me we'll never part. Keep these nights close to our heart. With every kiss, the world fades. In your love, I feel the shade. Moonlit whispers make me sway. With every breath you steal away. Passion's fire burning bright. Falling in love under the night.
Stars are whispering above our heads. Moonlit shadows in our cozy beds. Your eyes like fire, lighting up my soul. With every touch, losing all control. Dreams are dancing in the silver light. Heartbeats echo through the silent night. Soft whispers mingle with the midnight air. In your embrace, there's no fear to bear. Noches de amor, bringing us close. Each kiss a poem, our hearts compose. Under the stars, where dreams are born. In your arms, forevermore. Every moment feels like a first time. Lost in the rhythm of love's sweet rhyme. With you beside me, the world fades away. In your love, I'll always stay. Passion's flame burning ever bright. Love so intense, it's like a flight. In your eyes I see my destiny. With you my love sets me free. Noches de amor, bringing us close. Each kiss a poem, our hearts compose. Under the stars, where dreams are born. In your arms, forevermore. kiss apart.